Okay, so now we'll see how to find trigonometric ratio of the multiple angles. Multiple angles means, suppose this is what sine theta, right? So multiple angles means what? We want the trigonometric ratio of angle sine 2 theta, sine 3 theta. This is the multiple of angles, sine 3 theta, right? That means you know the value of sine theta. You have to obtain the sine 2 theta, sine 3 theta, and so on, right? So first we will obtain the formula for sine 2 theta. That means the angle is double now, right? So first, so sine 2 theta, we will obtain the formula for sine 2 theta, right? How we can write sine 2 theta? I can write this is what? Sine theta plus theta, right? So if you remember the formula for sine A plus B, sine A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B, right? So with the help of that one you can derive the formula tan A plus B, tan A minus B, right? If you remember there are 6 formulas, all the formulas are application of that 6 formulas. Okay, so now write this is what? This is sine A plus B, right? So sine A plus B is what? This is what? Sine theta cos theta plus sine theta cos theta, right? Now this is what? Sine theta cos theta, sine theta cos theta, both the terms are same, so therefore we can write this is what? 2 sine theta cos theta, right? So therefore we get a formula for sine 2 theta is what? 2 sine theta cos theta. Now see, we want to find the value of sine 120 degree now. How we can write? You know the value of sine 60 degree. So you can write this is what? Sine of 2 into 60 degree, right? So this is what then? 2 sine 60 degree cos 60 degree. Now no need to write in terms of allied angles. No need to write in terms of allied angles, right? Again the trigonometry becomes easy now. Instead of applying the allied angles, right? So what? How we got this 120 degree in the previous section? So 180 minus 60 degree or 90 plus 30 degree. Just in the previous problem we did this, right? So now here what? No, we don't need this. If you know the from that what? We don't know the formula for this one. But right now the formula is okay for us, right? We know the formula for sine 2 theta. We can apply this now here, right? So that means what? Okay, so we are not interested right now this. We first will derive this one. So we get the formula for this one. What? Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. So you should remember this one. So now see, this is what? 2 sine theta cos theta upon 1 is everywhere, right? Upon 1 is everywhere. So how we write this one as 2 sine theta cos theta upon 1 means what? The sine square theta plus cos square theta, right? Value of 1. So what I will do? So divide by cos square theta. Divide by cos square theta to both numerator and denominator. That means to every term of the numerator and denominator. So what we get? So if you divide by cos square theta to the numerator, one cos get cancelled. So one cos remains now at the denominator. And we get what? Sine upon cos. So sine upon cos is tan, right? So your numerator is what? Tan theta, right? Now this is what? Sine square theta upon cos square theta. Sine square upon cos square is what? Tan square theta. So this is what? Tan square theta. Now this will what? 1, right? So again this is the formula sine 2 theta in terms of both sine and cos. Now this formula in terms of tan theta now. So formula for sine 2 theta in terms of tan, right? So we have the two formulae for sine 2 theta. Just we write once again that sine 2 theta, you should remember this, 2 sine theta cos theta, right? And one thing what? 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Note that 1 plus tan square theta, right? See, now the angle is double here. In here we get what? A single angle, right? That means double angle is converted into the single angle. So if you don't want the double angle, right? So write the formula for this one, right? In terms of single angle. Okay, so we get this, right? This is very important formula for sine 2 theta, right? Next we will obtain the formula for cos 2 theta now. Okay, we will obtain a formula cos 2 theta, we will obtain a formula for tan 2 theta, right? So cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta is what? Cos of theta plus theta, right? Cos of theta plus theta. So this is what then apply the formula for cos A plus B. Cos theta minus sin theta, right? So now cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. This is what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this is the formula for cos 2 theta in terms of both sin and cos. In terms of both sides, we call this as 1 now. 1. So this is what the formula for, this is the fundamental formula for cos 2 theta, right? With the help of cos A plus B. Now what we will do, we know that sin square theta you can convert in terms of cos theta, right? You can convert cos square theta in terms of sin. First we will convert sin square theta in terms of cos square theta. So what happens? See, so this is what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta is what? Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, right? The value of sin square theta. So what we get then? This, what we get? So this is what? Minus minus become plus now. So cos square theta plus cos square theta is 2 cos square theta. So this is what? 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this is the second formula for cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta, right? In terms of only cos. Here what? In terms of both sin and cos. This is in terms of. Now what we will do now? We will convert this cos square in terms of sin square now, right? So cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, so from 1, from 1, right? So from 1, right? Not from 2. And you can put from in 2 also. This is what? 1 minus sin square, no problem. But from 1 we will obtain the formula 1. So this is what? 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. Minus sin square is 2 sin square now. 1 minus 2 sin square theta, right? So cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is the third formula in terms of cos 2 theta. So this is what? In terms of only sin. This is in terms of only cos. This is in terms of both sin and cos, right? Again from 1, what we do? Again we will do go for from 1 now. So from 1. Well, so this is your 1. So what we will do? We will write this 1, everywhere the denominator is 1 there, right? So we will write 1 as what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, right? We can write the value of 1 as cos square theta plus sin square theta, right? Now what we will do? We will divide to each term of the numerator and denominator by cos square theta, right? See, if you divide by cos square theta to both numerator and denominator, what we get? So divide by cos square theta. Cos square theta upon cos square theta is 1. Then minus will be as it is. Sin square theta upon cos square theta. Sin upon cos is tan, right? The square is there, that means what? This is tan square theta upon cos square theta upon, this is what? 1 plus tan square theta, right? So this is the fourth formula for cos 2 theta, right? So there are 4 formulae for cos 2 theta, right? So first formula is what? Cos 2 theta is, yes, cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta, right? Then second formula is what? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Then third formula is what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And the fourth formula is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, right? Okay, so after that we write all the formulae once again. Before solving the problem, we write all the formulas. Okay, now we get a formula for sin 2 theta. We get a formula for cos 2 theta, right? So we will obtain the formula for tan 2 theta now, right? So tan 2 theta now. Tan 2 theta. So this is what? Tan of theta plus theta, right? Apply the formula for tan A plus B. If you remember this, then only you can write this. So this is what is that formula? Tan A plus tan B. So tan A is your theta, tan B, this is also theta, 1 minus tan A tan B is also theta, right? Just say, read the formula for tan A plus B, right? And write your A as theta, B as also theta, right? Okay, so tan theta plus tan theta is what? 2 tan theta, 2 tan theta, right? Upon 1 minus tan theta into tan theta is tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta. This is the formula for tan 2 theta, right? So you should remember this. Remember this. This is very important formula, right? 2 tan theta upon 1 minus. Now see, in cos and sin, there is 1 plus tan square. But in the formula for tan theta, your denominator is 1 minus. Because what? In tan A plus B, you are applying the formula for tan A plus B. Your denominator is tan 1 minus tan A tan B. Right? So therefore this minus is there. And for cos and sin, you are writing this as what? 1. So cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this side for tan 1 plus tan square, right? For sin and cos it is 1 plus cos tan square. And for tan it is 1 minus tan square theta, right? Okay, so now again we will obtain the formula for the sin 3 theta. Okay, we will obtain the formula for sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 3 theta, right? Okay, sin 3 theta, sin 3 theta. How we can write sin 3 theta? I can write sin of 2 theta plus theta or theta plus 2 theta. Okay. Now apply the formula for sin A plus B. Note that you have the formula for sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta. You have the formula for that one, right? We'll apply that later on. So first we'll apply the sin A plus B. What? Sin A plus B is what? Sin A cos B. Your B is theta. Your A is 2 theta. Plus sin theta cos 2 theta. Right? This is sin A plus B. Okay? Now we will write the formula directly. This is what? Sin 2 theta will directly apply the formula. This is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. But again cos theta is there. Right? So cos theta into cos theta is what? Cos square theta. This will be what then? This will be what? Cos square theta. Right? Now plus sin theta into, you have the formula for cos 2 theta. There are 4 formulas for cos 2 theta. But see, we want the formula for sin 3 theta. So what we do? We write the formula for cos 2 theta in terms of only sin. In terms of only sin. So in terms of only sin is what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Right? Formula for cos 2 theta in terms of only sin now. Now, what we will do? Sin theta. I will convert this cos square theta in terms of sin square theta because we want the formula for sin. So we will convert all cos in terms of sin now. So cos square, I can write this is what? 1 minus sin square theta plus sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. Okay? Just multiply by this. Now see. Directly we will simplify now. Okay, now see. If you open the bracket, what we get? 2 sin theta. Again the sin theta is there. It is plus. This is plus. Right? So 2 plus 1, it will be 3. So what we get then? 3 sin theta. Right? Now if you multiply by the second term, this is what? Minus 2 sin cube theta. Here this is sin and into sin cube theta. And this is minus 2. Both the sign are same now. Right? So minus 2 minus 2. This will what? Minus 4 sin cube theta. So minus 4 sin cube theta. See, the angle is, now this angle is single. Right? So we get a formula. Sin 3 theta is equal to what? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Remember this as a formula. This is very important formula, right? To find the integration, we'll apply this formula in integration now. Okay. So now we'll find the formula for cos 3 theta now. Cos 3 theta. Again write the same thing now. Just try for this. Try. Okay. Or 3 theta. So this is what cos of 2 theta plus theta or theta plus theta, doesn't matter. So write your formula cos A plus B. Right? So cos A plus B is what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Right? So cos A, so cos theta, cos B, so cos theta, minus sin 2 theta, sin theta. Right? Now apply the double angle formula. Right? So this is cos 2 theta. Now note that for take the care of the cos 2 theta, where we want the formula for cos 2 theta, we'll write the formula for cos theta in terms of only cos. Right? So that is what 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1 into cos theta minus 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta cos theta into sin theta is what? Sin square theta now. It will be sin square theta. We will convert that sin square theta in terms of cos square theta. So this is what? 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Okay? Minus 2. 1 minus cos square theta into cos theta. Right? So now see, all cos are there. So this is what? 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta minus 2 cos theta plus 2 cos cube theta. Right? If you simplify this, now correct the term, same power. This is cos cube theta, cos cube theta. There are two terms of the cos cube, cos cube. So correct that. Both the sign are same. Create the addition. So this is what? 4 cos cube theta. 4 cos cube theta. Right? Now this is what? Minus minus. So this is minus 1, minus 2. So this is what? Sign are same. Take the addition. This is what? 3 cos theta. Right? So this is what? Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Remember this. Remember this. Now just compare the formula for sin 3 theta now. So for sin 3 theta, see, compare the formula. This is sin 3 theta is what? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta now here. Right? Just compare this. What? So 3 cos theta is there. Here what? 3 sin theta. But here what? 3 cos theta is with minus sign. Here what? This is with plus sign. So that means what? For 3 and 4, they have the alternate sign. So for cos theta, start from 4. Right? And for sin theta, start from 3 now. Right? Then after this will be minus. If you start from 4, the second sign is minus now. Right? So remember this. So both the formulas are very important. Now we'll see the formula for tan 2 theta now. Tan 3 theta. So tan 3 theta. So this is what? Tan of 2 theta plus theta. So this is what? Tan A plus B. Tan 2 theta plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan 2 theta tan theta. Right? Just a formula for tan A plus B. Okay. Now we know the formula for tan 2 theta. Right? We'll apply that formula. Tan 2 theta is what? 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta plus tan theta upon 1 minus 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta into tan theta. So what we'll do, we'll multiply by 1 minus tan square theta to each term of the numerator and denominator. So what happened here? So this is what 2 tan theta plus tan theta into 1 minus tan square theta, right? Upon, we are multiplying by 1 minus tan square theta to all the terms of the numerator and denominator, right? So 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta minus 2 tan square theta, right? Because this is 2 tan square, 2 tan theta into tan theta contain the product of this one. Okay. Now see what happened then. Now simplify this. What we get? 2 tan theta plus tan theta is what? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, 1 minus 3 tan square theta, right? So we have these formulae. Okay. So we have seen all these formulae, double angle, triple angle and all, right? Okay.